Today we are going to upgrade i3 PC to i5 using you change with processor. Okay, first thing you need processor i5, you need a thermal paste and a screwdriver. Okay, the first thing is to do is removing these screwdrivers here, and we're gonna remove the RAM first. We remove the RAM memory. Okay, keep it aside. Remove this cable. Okay, then we use the screwdriver to open. Keep it aside. Okay, so now remove the i3 processor. See this one, take it like this, take this one like this. Okay, then this will go like that. After that, remove this. This is i3. Keep it aside. We put i5. We connect here. Okay, we close this like this. Now we use the thermal paste. Now we need to do like this. Spread it everywhere. On the processor. Okay, now we take back this one, we close it. Okay, make sure it is in the correct way. The cable is this side, so make sure you put the same way. Okay, now we close. They are closing. Okay, put properly, then close. Okay, it's already closed. Let's return our RAM memory. Simple, just put like this. Close it. Now let's try it. Don't forget this cable. First, this cable, we need to connect it back. Then we can power it on. This cable, return it back here. Okay, after we put the cable already, make sure it's already connected. We will connect all the cables. Okay, the VGA. Our VGA cable is connected. Now we connect our power cable. Okay, so if you connect our power cable, you see the light. Means everything is working well. Okay, so that means it's time to check our PC if it's fine or not. The upgrade is successful or not. Finally, you see the computer running, means it is successful. Okay, so let's see. So let's see if it's successful. i5. Press here, open here. So see, successful. It is i5 now. This PC is i3, was i3. This is the model. This is a Dell OptiPlex 3010. Okay, let's see. 3010 i3. We upgraded to i5. So it depends with the processor if it's working in this machine. So you need to check in Google. So in my case, mine is working. So now it's i5 and it's working properly. So it is successful. This is SSD. This is RAM and okay.